What's up everyone, it's Nazmul. Today, we're diving into essential tech skills for everyone. These skills will level up your digital life and boost your confidence in our tech-driven world. We're breaking down 3 key areas that are total game changers. Let's get started. First up, let's dive into the world of basic programming. Understanding programming fundamentals like variables, loops, and functions is crucial. These are the building blocks of any software application. Think of it as learning the logic behind how apps work. By grasping these concepts, you can start to see the structure and flow of any program. A beginner-friendly language like Python or JavaScript can automate repetitive tasks. These languages are designed to be easy to learn and use, making them perfect for newcomers. Programming enhances problem-solving skills and logical thinking. It trains your brain to approach problems methodically and find efficient solutions. It's empowering to create custom solutions for your needs. Whether it's a small script to automate a task or a full-fledged application, the possibilities are endless. You'll be surprised how much you can achieve with just a basic understanding of programming. Even a little knowledge can open up a world of opportunities and make your life easier. Next up, let's talk data. Data is everywhere, and understanding it is crucial in today's world. Data literacy is about understanding how to collect, clean, analyze, and interpret data. It's not just for data scientists, it's a skill everyone can benefit from. It's about finding hidden patterns and extracting meaningful insights. These insights can drive better decisions in both personal and professional contexts. Even a basic understanding of data visualization can go a long way. Visualizing data helps in communicating complex information clearly and effectively. Presenting data clearly using charts and graphs can make a big difference. It can turn raw numbers into a compelling story that everyone can understand. Data literacy helps you support your claims and make evidence-based decisions. This is invaluable in a world where data drives so many aspects of our lives. It's essential for navigating today's data-driven world. Whether you're in business, education, or any other field, data literacy is a key skill. Tons of online resources can help you develop these skills. From tutorials to full courses, there's something for everyone, regardless of your starting point. Embrace data, understand it, and use it to your advantage. The more you know about data, the more empowered you'll be to make informed decisions. Let's talk about digital security. In today's interconnected world, safeguarding your digital life is more important than ever. Protecting your personal information and online presence is crucial. Every click, every login, and every share can expose you to potential threats. Think of it like locking your house to protect your valuables. Just as you wouldn't leave your front door open, you shouldn't leave your digital doors unguarded. Recognize common cyber threats like phishing scams and malware attacks. These can come in the form of deceptive emails, malicious links, or even fake websites. Practice strong password hygiene and enable two-factor authentication. Use complex passwords and change them regularly to stay ahead of hackers. Be cautious about sharing personal information online. Always review your privacy settings and think twice before posting sensitive details. Simple steps can reduce your risk of identity theft and online fraud. Stay informed and vigilant to protect your identity. Use tools like antivirus software and password managers. These can provide an extra layer of security and help manage your credentials efficiently. Don't wait until it's too late. Taking proactive measures now can save you from potential headaches and losses in the future. Level up your digital security game today. By staying informed and taking action, you can enjoy a safer online experience. So there you have it, 3 essential tech skills everyone should learn. Mastering these skills can unlock a world of possibilities. Take small steps and learn at your own pace. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Let us know in the comments which tech skill you're excited to learn. Stay safe and see you in the next video.